Welcome to our journey towards a healthier, happier life. Today, we're diving into simple yet powerful health habits that can transform your daily routine. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our channel, and today I want to share some health habits that are easy to incorporate into your life. Let's get started. First up is starting your day with a nutritious breakfast. Think of it as fuel for your body. A balanced meal with protein, healthy fats, and whole grains can boost your energy levels and help you focus throughout the day. Try oatmeal topped with fresh fruits or a smoothie packed with spinach, banana, and almond milk. Delicious and nutritious. Next, let's talk about hydration. Drinking enough water is vital for our health. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Add some lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Staying hydrated helps improve concentration and keeps your skin glowing. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance party in your living room, or a yoga session, find what you love and make it part of your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day. Taking time for mindfulness can significantly impact your mental health. Even just 5 minutes of meditation or deep breathing can help reduce stress. Try to incorporate this into your day, perhaps in the morning or before bed. It's a great way to reconnect with yourself. Spending time in nature is another wonderful habit. It can improve your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety. Make it a goal to get outside, even if it's just for a short walk in your neighborhood. Don't forget the power of social connections. Surrounding yourself with positive people can uplift your spirit and support your health journey. Make time for friends and family, whether it's a phone call or a shared meal. These moments matter. So there you have it. Simple health habits that can make a big difference in your life. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Comment below with your favorite health habit, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you next time.